Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 AMC Ambassador 990 DPL four-door sedan. That was the top of the line car for AMC, American Motors Corporation Rambler, in 1966. And this one was a beauty. Beautiful color on it. The DPL model gave you the nice brocade interior, which is really nice looking. And this one had the white hardtop to go with the turquoise blue paint, and definitely was an eye catcher, that's for sure. As far as the seller's description said that the original owner purchased this car brand new June of 1966 and sold it in October of 2005. It's believed to be 56,000 original miles. Has a 3-speed transmission with overdrive, a 287 cubic inch V8 engine, factory air conditioning, the DPL brocade cloth and vinyl interior with airliner reclining seats, and the optional passenger headrest. Also had a binder from the previous owner with the vehicle history, which was nice to go along with the car. And you got all that for a grand total of $8,000. I filmed it at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, and that's what it sold for. So I guess probably be kind of hard to top that for that kind of money, 8,000. What you get, especially these days. But this one was definitely a beauty, that's for sure. And as far as the Ambassador goes, 1966. They had a few minor changes on it from the 1965 model, being the fifth generation of the Ambassador. It only went for 2 years, 1965 and 1966. And for 66, they had different taillights. They had the louvered side gills, I guess you would call them, the double ones on the front. And it also carried around to the back of the car. You had the two trim pieces, which copied the front, the grille, and the side gills that they had on them, which gave it a good look. And it's definitely a nice looking car, that's for sure. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.